wanted to do this unboxing for a gift that I received from Renewed Sense. And my oh my oh my guys, the packaging was so cute. Oh my god, the packaging was just so cute. Coconut oil is giving sweet almond oil, argania spinosa, argan oil, fine fragrance oil. It also has these sweet words. It says made with love, worn with confidence, Renewed Sense. Let me just unbox this with you guys. Me love smell good, you know, guys. I love perfume. Oh my god, it's so cute. And this is the oil, and the container is not glass. It's like plastic. I love the gold writing. I love the color gold. Can we have different variations of gold? I like this gold. Spray it on. It comes out very oily. One spray is like a good amount. It's definitely giving coconut. It blends out well into the skin. Wow, nice. You know, if you're going on a nice dinner date, you know, and you want that very soft, elegant essence type of vibe, I'm definitely getting this from the oil. This is the perfume, and the box looks like this. Very similar. It just says luxury defined with renewed scents. Oh my god, that's cute. And you can definitely go to renewedsense.com if you're interested in anything that I've been showing you so far. Look at that. This is looking so luxurious. I love it. And the bottle, it has a little bit of weight on it. This is the top. Comes out like this. Spray here with you guys. I really love it. I don't know if it's the fact that I layered the perfume on top of the scent oil, but this is giving heavenly. It's giving me tropical. It's giving me fruity. The scent is like there. It's not barely there. It's like very prominent, but it's not like overbearing. So if you're looking for affordable perfumes, you want something to look really cute and aesthetic on your dresser or on your vanity, and you want something that you don't have to break the bank, but you can definitely get something affordable, and it gives you that vibe. Vacation, it gives you luxury, it gives you a sense, it gives you, oh, I want to be beside you, right? That's what it's giving. It's giving, girl, what kind of perfume that you wear? What's that mixture? That is soft. That I want to be all up in your neck. That's what it's giving.